Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to make a quick tea time snack with breads and potatoes. So let's begin. I'm taking 2 potatoes and an onion. We'll peel its skin. Give it a wash. And we need to boil the potatoes for 1 whistle. In the meanwhile, I am chopping 2 green chilies, some coriander and the onion. Now I will heat up a pan, add some oil and start frying the green chilies and onion. Adding pinch of dhania powder, cumin powder and amchur powder. Give this a good mix. Once onion becomes a little translucent, adding the boiled potatoes. I had roughly chopped the potatoes while boiling and now I will mash them a little so that masalas get mixed well. Adding pinch of turmeric powder, salt as per taste and pinch of black pepper powder. Mix well and allow this to cook. Now I am adding 2 slices of breads in this. Just break them into small pieces and add. I am also adding few drops of water just to ensure bread pieces become soft and they mix well with the potatoes. Now adding the chopped coriander, mix well and switch off the flame. I will transfer the mixture in a plate and allow this to cool down a little. At this stage, I will mash the potatoes really well with the help of a spoon. Now it's time to give shape to our mixture. You can give them any shape that you like. You can have this mixture simply as it is or even use it as a stuffing. I'm taking 2 slices of breads and some water. We'll dip a slice of bread in water, squeeze out the excess water, put the stuffing inside and seal it from the top. I will repeat the same process with the other slice of bread as well. Once done, heating up the same pan one more time, adding just a little oil, and we'll fry our tea time snacks from both these sides until its color changes a little. Once cooked, serve them hot with some chutney or sauce. So here we have our quick tea time snacks all ready to be served. That was all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye-bye.